All right, then. Well, let's talk markets. It's the wrap of the week. Effiong Ekop is in the studio. Effiong, 1.59% positive. My colleague, it's been a while, but today the market is still in green. What's your overview of the market? Take it away.
So, look, we've seen the markets, taking off from where expectation had always been around.
Yeah.
During the elections and soon after that, I had been saying that if everything goes well,
yes,
the market will stay in green for a reasonable long period of time, and you have seen it. Let's look at the performance of the market in the last 1 month, just 1 month, you understand, after inaugurating the president into office. We traded within 1 month, investors and companies that gained worth over 4 trillion naira. Something that you couldn't have recorded, since January. Understand? Now, if you talk about the year-to-date performance of the markets in terms of achievements and gains, the market has moved beyond 10% on the back of the performance, recorded just last month. We've seen increasing and more determined effort by fund managers, to pack stocks, which our stocks are relatively very cheap, than to expand their portfolios. In fact, based on the policies that the government has already announced and what we have seen, then market operators now feel that they have, leeway to move in and then do the business because of the expectation that they are going to have great benefits from actions of the government. Should I tell you the unified exchange rates policy of the government, then the fuel subsidy abolition, electricity market reform, these three things, the market moves on to welcome them wholeheartedly. And we have seen increasing levels of visitors back to the exchange on weekly basis, and we are expecting that good things are coming, to the market. That expectation also signposts the fact that there may be increasing levels of returns in terms of dividends to investors at the end of this particular year. So what we've been expecting, we are beginning to see, the signs, and we are waiting for it. Don't forget, the market has stayed on bearish level for a reasonable long period of time. Stockbrokers have suffered a lot. Investors have lost huge funds, in so many ways. Look at what we have passed through in the last 2 years. So the market stayed just waiting for this ash, and then we have seen, so we blew it up.
Clearly, I think investors always like to see clarity, before they bring their money. Exactly. They always want to know, if I bring my money, how do I take it back to my country?
That's the nature of the market, transparency. You've got to open.
And that's what President Tinubu is standing for.
Exactly. If you know that the government is taking this action, look at the issue of this double taxation thing.
Yes. Yes.
Manufacturers have been complaining. So the government listens and
immediately suspended it.
So manufacturers will be happy. Do you understand? Yeah. So we expect that any other thing remaining, do you understand,
will be addressed
towards ease of doing business and having foreigners returning back to the economy should be taken in a way that we do not have to regret anything. So the market is really for business.
It's good to end the week with you, Ekop. And let's see how the coming week starts.
The coming week, I still see the bullish run continuing. When the bullish run, as I said, go on, we will have just maybe 1 or 2 days when hawkers, those pedestrian traders just want to take profit out of the market. Those who really want to stay in the market, plan their portfolio, they quickly return. Once the market is down, they just see a little gap, they pack the cheap stocks. And that's exactly what we've been having. And you've seen greater interest going to the telecom sector, the banking subsector. Look at the insurance market.
Wow.
But we've not been seeing all the insurance, on a daily basis, you see so many of them on the activity chart. That is to tell you, market is, doubling up.
Interesting stuff there. Thank you so much, Effiong. We'll continue this discussion Monday.
It's a pleasure.
God willing.
Thank you.
All right.